Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to add profile picture on eBay account. So first we're going to go to our eBay app. You guys can find it in the App Store or Play Store. Then next we're going to click on My eBay. Then here we're going to click on the profile section on the top left corner. Then next we're going to click on Edit Profile. So you're going to click on the pencil button right under your name. So you're going to choose a picture, either from your gallery or you guys could take a picture as well. Then you're going to move and scale the picture, then click on Save. Again, you're going to click on Save. So as you can see, our profile picture has been updated. So this is how you do it. It's an easy tutorial. We also have different videos in our how to tutorial playlist. Make sure to check them out as well, as we've been posting daily. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.